Lesson 23, Inventory Reports. In this chapter, we'll discuss about the inventory reports, that is the reports that are related to inventory and show the stock details. In this chapter, we'll cover the stock status, inventory books and inventory summaries report. In the display menu, you can see stock status, inventory books and inventory summaries report. First of all, we'll discuss the stock status. Stock status report displays the stock status of items in terms of quantities and value. To determine the quantity of stock, transactions recorded using dual and inventory vouchers are taken into account, and to determine the value of stock, the stock valuation method is taken into account. Here, first of all, we'll view the closing stock alphabetical detailed report. This report displays the closing balance of all items or group of items at the end of specified month. Here we are selecting all items option and are selecting the all MC option, that is we want to view the report on all the material center. Here first of all you can see the filter on item optional field data field is appearing. If you remember, we have created master optional fields for which you are maintaining master database. You can filter the report on the basis of them. First we will see the report without filtration, so we'll specify none here. Specify the starting date, ending date and the masters to be picked, that is all the masters involved in transactions or master either involved in transactions or having some closing balance. So on the screen you can view the stock status of all the items at all the material centers, showing opening quantity, opening amount, quantity in, amount in, quantity out, amount out. If you want, you can view this report for a particular material center also. On pressing enter key on any of the field, you can view the stock ledger, and further pressing enter key you can drill down the report to voucher level. Next we are filtering this report on the optional field category, and we are specifying the optional field value as double dot. So now the report will show stock status of those items in which category is specified as double dot. So here on the screen you can see refrigerator 265 liter item is appearing only because category double door is specified in this particular item only. Next we will view the closing balance alphabetical balances only report, which will show only the balances, closing balance of the item. We'll view this report for all items, all material center, and on the screen you can view the stock status of all items, displaying only the closing quantity, unit, price and amount. We have first seen this report on the basis of book stock. Now we'll view this report on the basis of total stock. So on the screen you can now view the total stock of all the items. First we have seen the book stock of the item. Next we will view the inventory books. First of all we'll view the day book report, which displays all the transactions that affect inventory of the organization sequentially for a date range. On selecting the day book option, you will specify the starting date, ending date and specify whether you want the bifurcation of free quantity and billed quantity also, and click OK button to view the report. On the screen you can view the inventory day book for the specified date range. All the transactions are displayed here sequentially within the specified date range. Next we'll view the stock ledger. Stock ledger report displays item-wise information relating to all the inventory related transactions of the organization sequentially for a specified date. We'll view the item-wise stock ledger, that is separate ledger for each item will be displayed. We are selecting one material center option, and now we have selected the item as Samsung LED TV and material center and main stores. So here we have seen the stock ledger for Samsung LED TV for the material center main store. Next are inventory registers. Inventory registers include sales register, purchase register, sale return, purchase return, stock transfer and stock journal registers in a particular format as defined by BUSY. On the screen you can see the sales register in the standard format as defined by BUSY. Next is item day book. Item day book report displays date-wise transactions of an item, which includes quantity in, quantity out, balance quantity and so on. We are viewing this report for one material center, and on the screen you can view the item day book. Next is inventory summary. Here first of all we'll discuss the daily balances report, which displays date-wise closing balance for an item for specified date range. Closing balance will be calculated based on the opening balance of the item and vouchers that affect the item on a particular date. Specify the date range, select the item, and on the screen you can see the daily balances for Samsung TV item, and then we are viewing this report for Sony Bravia LED TV. Next, daily summary. Daily summary report displays date-wise opening balance, quantity in, quantity out, and the closing balance of an item for specified date range. So on the screen you can view the daily summary of the item Sony Bravia LED TV. Then is monthly summary report, which displays month-wise opening balance, quantity in, quantity out and closing balance of one item or a group of item. Here we are selecting the one item option. We have specified the month range from April to December. So on the screen you can view the monthly summary for Sony Bravia TV individually for the month range specified. Free quantity details report. Using free quantity details report, you can view the details of free quantity entered in voucher. Next, vendor stock details report. Vendor stock details report displays details of stock received from the party, stock sold to the party and the balance quantity available. Here we are viewing this report item wise. So we have selected item wise option, specified the account master range, item master range. We are viewing this report for all the accounts and all the items. On the screen you can see that Samsung LED TV, Sony Bravia LED TV and the party name along with it. So these are our inventory related reports in which we have covered the stock status, inventory books and inventory summary reports. Hope after going through this chapter you would be able to easily view and print the inventory related reports. At the end of the chapter we have provided certain exercise. You can view the exercise on screen and attempt it. Thanks for watching. For more videos subscribe to our YouTube channel.